With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Consider a wheel of a bicycle rolling on a level road at a linear speed v0 as shown in figure. Option 1 says that the speed of particle A is 0. Option 2 says the speed of B, C and D are all equal to v0. Option 3 says that the speed of C is 2 v0. Option 4 says the speed of B is greater than the speed of O. So since this is a rolling motion, the velocity at the point of contact, that is A, is 0. Therefore option 1 is correct. And since the velocity at A is 0, and in this pure rolling motion, we can assume that point A is an instantaneous center of rotation. That means that we can assume that the whole ball is rotating about point A at this instant, and the angular velocity, let's assume to be omega. So the velocities of point B, C, D and O can be written using the formula V equal to omega R, and R is the distance from center of rotation, which in this case is A. So we are given that the speed of particle at O is V0. So V0 will be equal to omega into RO. The distance OA is equal to radius capital R. Therefore V0 is equal to omega capital R. From this we can find the value of omega, which is equal to V0 upon capital R. For particle B, which is at this point, the distance between A and B can be obtained using a right triangle with perpendicular and base equal to capital R. This is A, this is B, and this is particle O. So AB is equal to root 2R. Therefore speed of B, VB, which is equal to omega into RB, putting values we get VB is equal to omega is V0 upon capital R into root 2 into R. Therefore VB is equal to root 2 V0. For particle C, VC is equal to omega is V0 upon capital R into RC. RC is equal to 2R. Therefore V0 upon capital R into 2 into capital R. This implies VC is equal to 2 into V0. So we have now the velocities of particle O, B, C. Now option 3 said the speed of C is 2 V0, which is absolutely correct. Therefore option 3 is correct. The option 4 says the speed of B is greater than the speed of O, which is also true because VB is equal to root 2 V0, which is greater than V0. Therefore option 4 is also correct. Option 2 says the speed of B, C and D are all equal to V0. We can clearly see that VB is not equal to VC. Therefore, despite not calculating the velocity at D, we can simply say that option 2 is incorrect because B and C don't have equal velocities. and neither are they equal to V0.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.